Open the mobile browser. Enter the website address w@etjia.com, iOS, HTML. Click to get shortcut. Click to add shortcut command. Click on the ETjia shortcut command with sendouts to edit. Replace text with computer IP and MAC. MAC address should be capitalized. Enter and click to complete. Open Settings, Accessibility, Keyboard. For keyboard commands, slide to the bottom and click on the ETjia command commands. Enter content 123 in the input field, then click on Send Content and double-click to complete. Click on the image to select the image or video file to upload. View pictures or videos in the album. Click the File button to upload the file to My iPhone directory. Consultation with customer service for unclear end of demonstration.